When the patient cannot completely extend the elbow, 2 AP projections must be obtained to avoid distortion. Separate AP projections of the distal humerus and proximal forearm are required. For this position, seat the patient low enough to place the entire humerus in the same plane. Support the elevated forearm if necessary. If possible, supinate the hand. Place the IR under the elbow and center it to the condyloid area of the humerus. For this projection, the central ray should be perpendicular to the humerus, transversing through the elbow joint. Collimation should be approximately 3 inches from the proximal and distal end of the elbow joint and 1 inch on each side. The following image should be produced. When evaluating this image, you should see the distal humerus without rotation or distortion, and the elbow joint should be partially closed. For the AP projection of the proximal forearm with partial flexion, seat the patient high enough to permit the dorsal surface of the forearm to rest on the table. The central ray should be perpendicular to the elbow joint in the long axis of the forearm. You may have to adjust the IR so that the central ray passes through its midpoint. The following image should be produced, demonstrating the proximal radius and ulna without rotation or distortion. Also, the elbow joint should be partially open, as demonstrated here.